Hello everyone, welcome back to the shed. I am Lonnie.
Hey, I'm Candace. Welcome back.
So we got something to admit. We filmed this after we filmed pretty much all the rest of the video except for the end.
Yeah, we didn't tell y'all hello in the beginning, so we're telling you now.
Yeah, so I think we'll go right into pulling orders.
Yep.
All right, so let's go. Alrighty, time to pull some orders.
Yep. The first two orders has two nutcrackers on it. They're smaller, like a 9-inch and a 12-inch. So we'll see how those are going to ship. They're both on, no they're not. 12 Delta L is one. It's like a peddler vendor. He's got like one of the backpack things on him.
It's 12 Delta here, right? Yeah. Oh, it's this guy.
Yeah. I like him.
He's just like, yeah, we sold a larger one like that.
Yeah. He's really cool. I think he was probably my favorite one. Sold that for 100.
Wait, he was your favorite one out of all of them?
I think so. I just like how he has like just the little dolls he's selling, and look, he's just selling some fabric and vases.
Is this a real thing that they do or did?
It must be. I mean,
with shelves?
Yeah, maybe so. They go walk around the town square selling their stuff, you know.
I've never heard of that.
And then on 12 Charlie on the left we have a chimney sweeper. Steinbeck. It's a 12-inch. And he sold for 70.
Is that him?
This guy right here. Yeah.
Okay. It's got the shamrock and everything and the ladder.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Well, this might be able to go priority, huh?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I don't know how they're listed or whatever. I'll have to check it out.
Alright, and then we have a Walmart pen, number 52.
Okay, let me grab it. Alright, I pulled it out of here. Is it a Walmart 10-year anniversary?
Yes, and it's sold for $10.
Okay.
In the MU8 drawer, I had to look and see which one that was. If it was still MU8. Panasonic DVD-R 5-pack.
These guys.
For $13.
Okay.
Yep. 2 Delta, we have a deuce. I think I need to cut one out for you.
Yep, we do not have a deuce in the box.
No deuce in the box. Alright, I'll get on that. 3 Delta, you sold your Gunsmith Kinks book set. I don't know what's up with that name.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why it's called Gunsmith Kinks, but it is. And I think these books, have been around a long time too. Like I think they've all been through a lot of printings and
those sold for $65 for the set.
I think these are printed anywhere from 1983 all the way up to 2001, depending on which issue it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I paid $16 for those.
Yes, $4 a piece.
So it wasn't like $1 into 50 kind of thing, but it was still really good.
Yeah,
it sold fast.
Good profit. Yep. All right, and then we have 2 sales on Mercari. A pair of sandals on 5 Alpha-E5.
Is that this side?
Yeah.
I happen to have, we actually were moving some stuff around because we put the whatever that thing's called, there you go, we put that over here, and we had a helmet and some board games and stuff we had to move to other places, so I had the step stool out.
I actually have a box I can replace that lid. I have a box over here.
Oh, okay, yeah. Good. Yeah, I don't want to ship that lid like that.
I have a good lid we're going to put on there.
Whew, good.
And then we have a cookbook on 3, oh, those sold for 20.
Okay.
A cookbook on 3 Bravo, Our Daily Bread.
Yeah, we actually got a message about this cookbook on 3 Bravo. Yep. Here it is. Morgantown Baptist Church. We actually got a message about this asking if we would hold it for a certain number of days or whatever, and then
just bought it.
Then they just bought it.
Okay, so I lied. This is a larger size, so the box is longer.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
All right, well, we do have another pair.
Yeah.
All right, we'll swap them out and figure out what to do with that, because I don't want to ship a box out like that. That's not good. All right, that's everything we got. Oh, no, it's not. I have one more
thing in storage to pull.
Yeah, so I'm going to get this stuff packed, then I'm going to have to go to storage.
Yeah.
All right, all the USPS is gone. Carrier already came, and I went to storage and picked this up. This is a Snapperizer thing that came from Kevin and Danielle Buy. Kevin and Danielle Buy, they used to sell on eBay. They got out of the business. We spent 4 Saturdays spread out over like maybe a month and a half to 2 months.
Basically 4 truckloads is what it took to get all this inventory.
Yeah, we bought 4 truckloads of inventory from them. We still have a lot of it left. As a matter of fact, Candace is going to be going out of town this weekend.
Yeah.
I may
go dig.
I may just dig in there instead of going to garage sales if you're not going to be around.
Yep.
So we'll see. As a matter of fact, I think that's what I need to do.
Yeah.
Because we have a lot of inventory.
We have a lot of good inventory.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
So rather than drive all around and spend money and stuff, I might just take a weekend off since Candace is. And well, she's not taking a weekend off. She's doing a Girl Scout thing.
Yeah.
But
I'm gonna be hurting.
I know.
Middle school girl. Well, they're high schoolers now.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm gonna get this packed, and it's gonna be a simple pack.
A wrap, basically.
It's a wrap. Yeah, basically, I am gonna put some paper in there to where it won't rattle around and stuff.
That thing is heavy and sturdy. It's not like it's gonna get broke.
No, it's not gonna get broken, but I don't want it like doing that.
Absolutely.
And then I did grab. We had a bunch of these Lowe's boxes that came from the Nutcracker buy.
Yeah.
Okay. As a matter of fact, there's still some photos and stuff in a baggie up there. And so anyway, I'm just gonna cut that up, wrap this with that. Because not only, like, I don't think this is collectible box or anything, but you never know. And plus, this box is kind of like
vintage.
You know, well, not just that, but you know how old boxes start to feel kind of
like soft.
Like, yeah, it doesn't feel as sturdy as it could be. So I'm gonna wrap this guy up. It sold for $60, by the way, plus ship. All right, Candace is starting to get this Nutcracker stuff in order.
We're getting down to the home stretch here. I pulled these down from up there. That's what I have left in the boxes to list.
So all the ones that are up here now are listed?
Yes.
Wow, man, I can't. It's crazy how far you've come, and I mean, I know it's been a few weeks, but it's still it's been such a massive project.
And I know y'all are looking at those ones on the bench and we're like, no, you're not nearly done. But so this is what's going on. These are what I have left to list in boxes, and I haven't even opened some of them, so there may be issues. I don't know. What we have going up here is stuff with minor issues that we need to determine if we want to try to repair or just sell as is.
Right.
So once I get everything good listed, we're going to start looking at all those.
Some of them just need a dot of glue. Most of them need a little more than that. Some of them we might have to
replace a dowel that's broken.
Or a mustache.
Yeah, one of them is missing a mustache, and I actually found a website that is awesome. I'll share it with you in a little bit. It has replacement parts, including like the little eyes and everything, hands, the little round hands. You can buy all that. And
in all the cases where we do something that extreme, obviously it will be disclosed to the buyer. But and it's funny, like in the Nutcracker market on eBay, it's wild. It's pretty rare, really. Not rare, but it's uncommon to find Nutcrackers that don't have some small issue somewhere.
Yeah, there's
so many of them.
They're fragile, especially the when you get into the vintage ones. A lot of these are from like the 90s, so they've been handled a lot. So they're not super durable. They're not meant to keep taking in and out.
No.
And I think they're meant to just display. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna try to get these listed today or between today and tomorrow. These are just empty boxes. I kept them because we may end up using them to just store stuff in here.
Right.
You know.
Okay, well,
So
cool.
yeah, that's where we're at.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing wrapped. I'll show y'all what it looks like in a minute. All right, we've been in here busy for the past 20 minutes or so,
Yeah.
doing some rearranging. We've been doing the best we can with this stuff. You want another box or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We have these empty boxes we just showed y'all, and we're trying to get Candace's bench as clear as possible, and we're nearly there. These are all the boxes she's going to list, and then she's going to have her bench to work on now, which is good because we've been having to share this bench, and it means that like in the morning when I'm packing orders, Candace has to find something else she can do at her desk or something.
Right.
So we've been needing to do this. We just haven't had room until now
Right.
to do it. So
It'll be nice to have benches back.
yes, got to have clear benches.
We
So
have boxes that don't really have nutcrackers to go in them, so I don't
that one ain't cut. That box, yeah, that might work.
see if that'll be.
And that is just for temporary storage.
Yeah.
Man, I think this is the first sales we made today.
Yeah, things have been quiet on the home front.
It's been very quiet. We sold 17 TDK blank, sold as blank for $25. So that's good. That's how it's been sometimes though, y'all. Like the month, and even last month was pretty good too, and this month has been going well. But I'm telling you, we will have days where it feels like we can sell anything, and we'll have other days where it feels like we're never going to sell anything again.
Yep.
And like last night, overnight, no sales. Today, it's after 2:00 p.m. We haven't sold anything, and from when, Candace? About 9 o'clock last night or something?
Yeah. It's
So-
crazy. It always seems to be on like Wednesdays too.
Yeah, but then it also doesn't mean today's going to be a bad sales day.
Right.
Like sales could turn on right now
Yeah.
and just kill it.
Just never know.
We don't know. So I used to look more at like the day to day, or even like the hour to hour basis, like, you know, like 8 hours at a time, and be like, oh man, this is a bad day. But now I know not to judge a day until it's over, and really not to worry about the days, to worry about the weeks and months.
Yeah, I mean, you could turn off that camera and we could have like 5 sales. You just never know.
I know.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is nice. I mean, I know it's still messy in here, but we
At
can
least
function.
We're figuring out a way to work. You know?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the amazing thing to me is that all these nutcrackers that we brought in to this shed, they're still in this shed, or they're sold.
Yeah.
I would have thought we would have had to bail out at some point and bring a bunch to storage, and we haven't.
We're getting there because I don't like these are all in their boxes, and I think I have 2 more spots up here.
And then we're just out of room, huh?
Well, we did clear this space.
Yeah.
No, I think I'm gonna be able to make it because they can go right here and 2 more up there. So
Okay.
we might be able to make it work.
Yep.
We'll see.
That's just what we've been dealing with. Okay, case in point, after that sale that we had, and keep in mind, we didn't have sales for what, over 12 hours, right?
Yeah.
And, okay, so the tapes I was talking about, cover up this user data, those sold at, well, 12:11 West Coast time. And then 12 minutes later, we sold a cookbook for $26.24 at 12:23. And then 5 minutes after that, we sold, which is about 14 minutes ago, we sold a belt buckle for $22.49. So no sales for well in excess of 12 hours. And then in the span of 17 minutes, we sell 3 things.
Yep.
Make it make sense.
Unpredictable.
Okay, we've been listing for a little while now. And Candace, how is it actually having most of your bench back?
It's good because we're not all stumbling all over each other.
I know.
Yeah.
I know, because like literally earlier today, I was just standing here waiting for my turn to use the bench. I was like, okay, this ain't gonna work.
Yeah.
This ain't gonna do it.
Yep.
I've actually been listing baseball bats. I want to talk about this real quick. We bought, okay, there's an Easton there, and there's a Marucci there. Got those got 3 bats for $1 a piece at a garage sale. Listed those for 70 a piece. Those are pretty good. I wanted to show y'all this one though, because I mean, I don't know baseball stuff that well. I'm definitely not an expert at it or anything, but I do know some brands to look for. And Candace, I probably sold 100 bats or something like that, right?
Oh, yeah, you have a little experience.
I mean, I've sold a lot of bats. I'm not an expert at it, but I wanted to show y'all this because I have never, ever, ever seen this brand before. Victus Vandal. And there are solds for this bat for, you know, anywhere from $75 to $125 used. And as soon as I picked it up at the garage sale, I was like, what is a Victus Vandal? Because I've watched countless videos, like reseller videos on YouTube. I've never heard anyone mention this brand. I've never seen this at a garage sale before. So wanted to just bring this to y'all's attention, or maybe y'all could tell me a little more about it. But I just listed this one for 90 bucks. So I did listings for 90, 70, 70. So if they all sell for that, that'd be what, $230 from a $3 investment. So not a ton of fun to pack these, but with that kind of return, I got to do it. I got to keep going with it. All right, we are kind of wrapping up our day. I'm about to start editing some video.
Yep.
I feel pretty good about the work we've done. Today it was a light shipping day, so we were able to list a little more than normal. Mm-hmm. Candace did some non-nutcracker listings, and then you listed some crackers too. Like how many?
4 or 5.
And pretty good ones too.
Yeah, some big ones, like a couple of them were $200.
Yeah.
All of them were over 100. So yeah.
And I had a good listing day. Well, I had a listing day. We'll call it that. Maybe not good. Good is probably not a correct qualifier. I listed a briefcase. I listed a bat.
Everything's above us.
Pretty much. I listed another bat, a cat bat, and then I listed an Easton bat right there. And then the only other thing I listed was some decals. Yeah. So maybe my day wasn't all that great after all. I need to pick it up a little bit, huh?
Well, I mean, you only have so many minutes in the day, or...
Yeah, but I don't use them well all the time, no. But yeah, maybe I'll go ahead and it's not even that late yet. It's only like 4:43. Maybe I can knock out some spark plug listings. I did get some plugs out. I'm gonna watch the NBA playoffs tonight. Maybe I'll list some of those while I'm watching that, although probably not. So, anyway, that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.